Imagine boarding a luxury cruise and returning with a deadly virus. A recent outbreak of hantavirus on a luxury cruise has shocked health experts worldwide. Several passengers after the voyage developed severe symptoms and emergency investigations began immediately. Hantavirus spreads through infected rodents, saliva, urine or droppings. The scary part, early symptoms look just like normal flu: fever, headache, muscle pain. These flu-like symptoms can rapidly turn into severe lung disease with high mortality. Doctors say that the public risk remains low, but the outbreak is being closely monitored worldwide. There is no specific antiviral cure present. The treatment is mainly supportive and intensive. Prevention becomes the most important. Avoid exposure to rodents and their droppings. Second, wear masks or cover the mouth while cleaning rodent-infested areas. And third, disinfect rather than just cleaning the dust areas.